Today I bought new glasses for in my craft room. And when I saw this packaging, I thought I could make something with it. So let's put my glasses on. I'm having this stack of paper by Craft Sensations. And I thought I used this one.
Hello my YouTube and internet friends. My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling, mixed media and crafting on a low budget. My name is Ilona, better known on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and WordPress as Picture for Life. Every Thursday you will find new and free easy tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. Subscribe to my channel to follow me on my creative journey. I'm all about keeping it simple. Even if it looks difficult, it's not. Trust me. I make easy to follow process tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. So if you like to see more low budget, mixed media and art journaling, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you know when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and I have a blog on WordPress. So join me for a new, fun and low budget mixed media project. And let's make a recycled project.
So this is what I have now. Pushing it aside for now. I stamped this fish, colored it in with watercolor. I'm going to make this image translucent. If you like to see how I do that, you can watch the tutorial video I made some time ago and I will link them below, and in the top right corner you will see a little white circle with an eye in it. If you click there, you will see a little menu with some other videos and you will find it there as well. So you can check it out after you watched this video. Taking this tape, folding it double because I want to have it higher up than only one
layer of tape.
Just folding it over.
I still don't think it's high enough, so I'm adding another double piece of foam tape. And just to make sure it sticks, I add some glue to it as well. Since I want my packaging looking like a fish tank, I need some plants for decoration. I am using a Crayolis die for that, and by piecing more than one of the same die cut image, I make it look like an underwater scene. Then I'm using some fun little stamps to add some bubbles to my background. It's just kind of like the fishes are talking to one another. Then I stamped out my sentiment, "Hello baby," because this will become a card to welcome a new baby into the world. Then I'm adding tape to my whole card and sticking it inside my recycled glasses packaging. I already mixed some sequins and beads and poured them into the packaging to create the shaker effect. Now for the finishing touches. I make a cute little tag to write my message on and add that to the hole that was already there in my packaging. It was used in the store to hang my glasses on. So you see, you can reuse anything you can find around your house to create something beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you had fun, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload a new video. In the past I was really regular with my videos. Every Thursday I had a video, but since this year I'm spending some more time with friends and family, so I'm a little less regular, and that way if you click the bell icon you will get a notification through your mail when I upload a new video. So be sure to click the bell icon as well when you subscribe. Hope you had fun and see you next time. Bye bye everybody.